Alright, in this video here, we're going to make a quick run to Whole Foods to go pick up some ice cream. It's 50% off right now. And we're going to be using the full self-drive system. We're using version 14.3.4 to make this run to Whole Foods. But we're also going to test to see if we can get the vehicle to park in a exact certain parking spot that we prefer to park in. So we're going to play around with dropping a pin into a set location. So here on the screens, Whole Foods, I'm going to go ahead and set it to park over to the side by a spot completely by itself. And we're going to see how the vehicle handles this pin being dropped there. So let's go ahead and start this trip and see how it performs. This drive here is going to be a short drive. It's estimated to be about 16, correction. The drive time is estimated to be about 6 minutes in travel. Just recently, Tesla came out with some new data in regards to the full self-drive system, showing again that the full self-drive system is safer than a regular person driving. But also, they release information to say that the biggest reason that people are taken over from the full self-drive system is due to parking. So I'm gonna go ahead and play around with parking a little bit and see if dropping that pin will help resolve unnecessary takeover, and if it would take us exactly to where we would prefer to park at. I'm gonna go ahead and change our drive setting to standard mode. And now we're on the main drag heading to Whole Foods. Traffic is decently moderate right now. It is a weekend as far as it being a Saturday, and it's about 5:30 p.m. As expected, our stops are really smooth as always. All right, so we're getting closer to our parking lot destination. We are roughly about 2 minutes away. Hopefully we'll make these next couple of traffic lights. And again, that's one of the things that's new with this new update. As you get closer to your destination, the map will pop up and show you where it's going to be parking at, and also give you the option to either pull over when you get closer to that destination, park in a certain parking spots location as far as picking the parking lot in itself, or charger or other things in that regard, such as driveway. This view here is always a really cool view to take a look at to see what's going on around you. Seems like you have almost a bigger sense of awareness. Just like anything else, even when the vehicle is full self-driving, it's more about really keeping an eye on the other drivers around you. Alright, so we've entered the main parking lot and now into Whole Foods parking. Car here is parked in the middle of the lane. Vehicle's waiting for them to move out of the way. And it did a really good job with that. And then we have the Corvette here parked in 2 spots, which I think was our intended destination to park at. Alright, so car did a really good job as far as parking. It came across some obstacles as far as getting into the parking lot, and also came across a parking spot that was already spoken for. Let's see what we can do here. Let's go ahead and change our destination for parking and see how the vehicle handles this change. That's quite interesting. It wants to, oh no, it corrected itself. For a second there, it was saying it wanted to hop on the highway. So let's go ahead and edit this. And we'll keep just our new pin drop. So let's go ahead and try to get to another preferred parking spot. Again, I think we may have been okay if it wasn't for that Corvette. There, taking up 2 spots, always pretty annoying. Vehicles choosing to, I believe, go back into the pre-selected parking spot. Yep, so that there's not what we intended to occur. Let's go ahead and try this one more time. So drop the pin to our new location for parking. And let's go ahead and try traveling there. I'm gonna give it a nudge to go ahead and start. And guys, this here was not the selected parking as far as the pin drop. So I guess, unfortunately, this test here was not successful as far as being able to park exactly where we wanted to. So yeah, we'll have to go ahead and take over, but that completes that test.